Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with the History Department.
We never actually started, so this is the first time.
Welcome back. So, today we're going to try to spice up our lesson on the spice trade by learning you how to make a mousse.
So, it's fall, it's autumn, pumpkin spice is very popular right now. I'm not wearing any Ugg boots, I don't have a vest, I don't look like Han Solo.
I'm wearing both.
I'm concerned. But either way, we're getting into the spice trade and we're gonna make for you a pumpkin spice mousse. Oh no. This is what happens when McDowell doesn't bring the can opener. That can't be good. That can't be good at all. I should probably pick that part out right there. Oh no, it's on my hand. Whoever's desk this is, I'm sorry. You're such a worrier. Nothing good in history ever happened by worrying. I don't know, that's probably not accurate at all. This is heavy whipping cream.
Heavy whipping cream
Made by
is
Land
the
of
first
Lakes.
ingredient. Go ahead, Jay. You can see there's a little bit of sugar already in there.
Do you hear that?
It's the sound of deliciousness. All right.
All right, more?
No. we need to have room for this. Okay.
How about now?
No. So, after adding the heavy whipping cream, we whisk until this begins to thicken. So, let's whisk. Once the heavy whipping cream has thickened, we'll add 2 tablespoons. Why are you here? We'll add 2 tablespoons of sugar. All right, now. All right, so now take the last one. Don't put it in yet. Okay, hold it kind of over. All right, Ava, are you filming?
Yes, okay.
We add 4 tablespoons of sugar. And then we continue whipping until stiff peaks form. Stiff peaks are when the cream begins to stand up by itself. Whipping cream is remarkable. It starts out liquid, like what's currently on my khakis, and becomes solid. Wow! Look how solid that is. Don't touch it!
Okay, let's add some pumpkin. That didn't go as I thought it would. Maybe if you just tap the side of it. Nope. It's going. It's coming out.
Don't touch the pumpkin!
That's just part of the pumpkin. Gourds.
And now that we've added the pumpkin, it's time to add the cream cheese. Where's the cream cheese?
Ooh.
Nice.
Do we add this now?
Well, we are going to beat it, but first we have to get to the stars of the show. Cinnamon.
Cloves.
Nutmeg.
No, we're not letting you have the nut.
Vanilla extra.
It will come. All right.
Whipping cream.
So, we need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. This being a half teaspoon, we're going to add 2 of these. You can go ahead and add a 1/4 teaspoon of the other 2 spices. Half teaspoon, cinnamon.
Ooh, it smells like beef jerky.
Does this one get a 1/4?
I'm kidding. It smells like
Those both
cloves.
get quarters.
It's a nice teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon.
Yeah. And a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Not too much. I don't need the glass
Just
Just the
dripping
whole
out.
Mm, that might be nice.
Do you want to? Okay.
Add a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. No, that is
so
way
much
too much.
nutmeg.
Thank you. That's a good amount.
I know.
Put that
That's a
in.
heaping.
Thank you.
This
Okay.
is for later.
Stop.
We will also
Yes.
now add. We will also now add A whole teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Yum.
Running over this.
Delicious. And now we beat together that. Oh wait,
Simpson.
while
Are you allowed to have
Simpson,
that?
while Simpson hammers away at that, I'll add the remaining sugar. Go ahead.
I like to start slow.
Oh, okay. Me too.
I'm sorry, do you want this to taste good or not?
What? I'm just laughing because I'm using a mixer. It makes me laugh. I don't know what I did wrong. Other than spilling all over. How long am I going for?
You beat the chunks out of it.
Chunks. Here, I'll do it.
No!
No, I can
Supposed to
do
save
it.
the chunks?
No, we beat the chunks of cream cheese out of it. The cream part!
Oh, okay.
Cow got it!
This is so aggressive.
Wait, but you add it little by. Okay.
Yes, yes, that is correct.
I've cooked before. That's thorough.
Yep. So now more comes in. So keep going. Stop mixing! Wow, that sure looks smooth and tasty, does it not?
It sure does.
Like the Silk Roads.
Ah, now let us enjoy our spicy bounty.
Okay.
All right. Ow, that's sharp. Ow, that's
Be careful, be careful.
Ooh, this is where I stab myself in the face.
Oh my god.
Do that.
We're gonna tape the knife to the mixer cooking show. Just you and me
Yeah.
screaming at each other. Here, put your tie in the beer. Put your tie in there. Stop it.
Alright, I'll
It's
do it.
not time to add that yet. No, I have to watch
what
these.
happens.
It will choke you.
It won't choke me.
Can I get a shot of
I am
McDowell?
covered.
McDowell, explain what happened.
We were 20 seconds in to the first batch. No!
Like glue.
It's not.